Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology online step by step. Begin by setting clear goals, choose accredited courses, and build a weekly study routine with focused sessions and deliberate practice. Use active learning with notes, quizzes, flashcards, and application exercises. Join discussion forums, schedule regular reviews, and seek feedback from peers or instructors to deepen understanding and track progress efficiently. Start today and adapt as you learn. Develop study techniques that stick by using active recall and spaced repetition daily. Combine reading with summarizing key ideas aloud and testing yourself with practice questions. Apply concepts to case studies and personal observations to see principles in action. Practice research skills through mini projects, data interpretation, and simple experiments to build confidence. Balance deep work sessions with short breaks to maintain focus and avoid burnout while learning effectively online. Curate resources from textbooks, peer-reviewed articles, and trusted online lectures to build a reliable knowledge base. Engage with peers in forums, study groups, and virtual labs to test ideas and gain new perspectives. Use office hours and mentorship opportunities to clarify difficult topics and get feedback on assignments or projects. Balance independent study with collaborative tasks to deepen understanding and build professional networks that support long-term success in psychology.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.